let's see how SceetoBots, if they were applied to Ludwig levels, would have picked up and traded. So I'm going to engage a long bot and a short bot. You see the short bot up here. That's the zone for it. It's picked up off the Ludwig levels. Ooh, somewhere down here. Somewhere down here is the long bot. All the way down here, we may not get to that level. I know we're not because we're running it in sim and we're replaying. But I'm going to replay it here and let's see what happens. Our bots are looking priced to get into the level zone. And then once they get into the level zone, what they want to do is pick out order flow events and tune their entry specifically around, when the order book gets swept out in the zone. So boom, let me pause it here. This yellow bar in the zone meant that there was asymmetry in the order book. This kind of asymmetry is a footprint that our algorithms read. They look for chaos in the order book. They also saw number 1, which is the largest sweep of the order book for everything that's happened on the screen here. Notice that this 1 coincided with the level. Pretty interesting, at least for me. Let's see what happens next. Boom, 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 hits the target. We leave the bots on. You can elect to turn them on or off. I don't like shorting gold so much. I'd prefer to go long gold, but we take what the market gives us without extreme prejudice. If you'll notice here, this is what we call a beat, which is where price pulled back in the uptrend and you had yellow to orange. That means that there was a flip in asymmetry in the order book, which is kind of astounding. You'll notice the 3 here, where it's the sweep and it picked up back into the zone. Let's see what happens. I'll make it bigger so everybody can see. Boom! And it found this kind of like chaos in the order book and then flipped out an entry. It looks at, I don't know, 12, 88.5, which is a pretty good entry. Oops, I slowed this down. Somehow I clicked the wrong thing. Let's go back to 120. And you'll notice that the stop just went to break even. I think I have the stop set for breaking even like 8 or 10 ticks after entry. See what happens. Stopped out. Bot is still engaged. Goes outside of the range but back in the range. Doesn't take it. Doesn't find a need to trade here. Bot comes back into the range. Takes it again. Fills at 89 even. Let's think that it looks like the stop has already gone to break even. So we're safe here, which is nice. Theoretically, we'd like to stop to let it run and hits the target. So this is a pretty good example of how we overlay order flow onto known levels, and that we then deploy bots out to these known levels to go trade the levels for us, so we don't have to sit there all day. If you'll notice the timestamps, this started around 11 o'clock and then traded till, I don't know, something o'clock.